Let's try these out. These are new from NARS. These are the multiple sticks. So I have 3 shades, and I think the point of these is to be able to use them for kind of like monochromatic looks, like using them for your eyes, lips, and face. So we are going to try that out. So I am going to go ahead and do swatches of the shades that I have. So this first one is in the shade Hot Take, which I have already swatched them because I was impatient. So I know what these look like, but look how stunning that is. This is definitely a really pretty summer color. It's like a deep coral kind of shade. And then this one is in the shade Swing. I don't know if I'll use this one because I don't know with my skin tone. For an editorial look, I think this would eat, but for this video, I don't think we're going to use this one, but it is a really pretty shade of pink. This is like a true kind of like bubblegum pink. This one is in Behave, which is my all-time favorite blush shade from them, I think. I don't know why. There's something about that shade that is just so perfect. So this is what Behave looks like. As you can see, I feel like this is the most kind of like wearable shade out of all of these. So I feel like maybe I won't do this one because I feel like you guys are gonna come at me if I don't use one of these. So maybe we'll use the Hot Take shade and then we'll do Behave in another video. So let's try that. All right, so I already have my cream bronzer on. I am just gonna go in with a little bit of this on my finger and apply some to the cheeks, and then we will also do the eyes and the lips with the same color. So let's see how it turns out. Now, I did swatch these on the back of my hand, but I have not actually tried them on my face yet. So let's see what this is like. That's a really pretty color. You guys know normally I'm not the biggest fan of like straight up coral shades, but that's cute. This is what it looks like on the cheeks so far. I did go ahead and kind of clean it up with some concealer. Let's put some on the eyes next. I normally do not wear shades like this on my eyes, so this will be an interesting look. Okay, so this is what it looks like all together. I think that this is a really, really cute color, especially for warmer months. And I mean, honestly, you can wear these colors whenever you want, but this is so pretty. I actually really like the formula. It's kind of like, not exactly matte, but it kind of feels like it would have like a powdery matte finish. I like these so far. I'm really excited to experiment with the shade Behave because that is, again, one of my favorite colors. But you guys have to let me know when you try these, which one is your favorite shade. Let me know in the comments. I think these are releasing soon if they're not out already by the time I post this video. And also, it looks like this is a reformulation of the older ones that they used to have, which I have never tried, so I can't really give you a comparison, but these are actually really, really nice. What do we think of this look though? I feel like it's giving like an editorial spring look is what this is giving, and I'm kind of here for it.